How to fix Facebook not working on iPhone. If Facebook is not working on your iPhone iOS 16 and you see newsfeed is not available right now, then here is how to fix it. First of all, check your internet connection. Drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data if needed, or you can simply restart your router or turn off the VPN if it is enabled. Now go back and search for the App Store for the iPhone and Google Play Store for Android, and tap on the search address bar and search for the Facebook. Now once you do so, tap on the Facebook app, and if you see update option available there, simply update it to the latest version. Outdated version often cause newsfeed issues. After that, go back to the home screen and simply tap on the Settings app. Once inside the settings, scroll and tap on the General. Inside General, tap on the iPhone Storage. Then inside iPhone Storage, scroll down and look for the Facebook app and simply tap on it. Then tap on the Offload app option available there and reinstall the Facebook app on your mobile device. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.